Well, we're taking a little walk here, and oh yeah, I think this is a old gravestone. See it? There's another one over here. Anyways, we're walking upriver. We're going to a big, I guess you can say, pool slash waterfall. We caught up to my mom and dad. We were just laughing. We were just saying, I wonder how you guys would be here. But anyways, my mom just lost her sandal. She almost fell. Here we go. I'll catch up to you guys right now. Bye. I'm sorry, but you're on video. I was already videoing and I couldn't hang up. Wow. You guys just caught some live nature action. I'll show you the pee again. This is a long one. Look at the fish, they're dying. Alright, are you done? I don't think she's done. Alright. We'll see you guys right now. Bye. Alright, babe. Come on. Is it too cold for you? We almost caught her falling.
That was great. You should have just gone that way. Look at you.
How you feel, babe?
It's not cold.
Babe.
Oh, you know, just about lost my life there to rocks.
Alright. Continuing on up the river. We're almost there. Waterfall up ahead. Okay, here we go. Walking up to the waterfall. I should have brought my video camera, but I only have the small camera, so here these guys go. There's a waterfall, deep canyon. All right, we're gonna go for a swim.